Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or remove lock screen shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to go down on the settings page and select where it says wallpaper and style. And then you want to select where it says shortcuts. So just scroll down and select the shortcuts button here. So on the first side, go ahead and left shortcut and then scroll over until you find the none button. Go ahead and select that. And then select the right shortcut tab and select none for that as well. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.